Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for Atrium Health account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in www.atriumhealth.org and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of Atrium Health, click on the menu button at the upper right hand corner. Scroll down and click on My Atrium Health login button. In the login area, go ahead and enter your credentials as it asks you on the display to log in. In case you don't remember your password for your account, click on this Forgot Password link beneath the Sign In button. On the next page, enter your personal information in order to verify. Type in your My Atrium Health username in the first text box. Head over to the next field and type in your date of birth information registered with your account. After filling in your date of birth, head over to the next field and enter your email address associated with your Atrium Health account. Finally, click the next button. Follow your on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to create a new password for your Atrium Health once your identity has been verified. That's how you can easily reset your password for Atrium Health account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.